We also have with us Brian Thomas joining us live outside Justice Verma's residence. Brian, when we're taking a look at the facts that how Sambhav has stated, when we're taking a look at the facts also say that when we are looking at this video, there's a huge pile of burnt cash perpetually at the residence of Justice Yashwant Verma. And when we're taking a look at the fact that he has replied in his query in that inquiry report that that room did not have any presence of any burnt cash when he saw that. So since you are present at his residence, what kind of how do you one go about it if there was a pile of burnt cash and according to him there was no cash present when he saw that?
Well, Riya, definitely. Now, we are outside his very residence also, and definitely it has said that during the very fire operations also that happened at Justice Yashwant Verma's residence, at this very residence that happened on 14th March, there were around 4 to 5 sacks of burned cash that was found. Then, yes, there have been visuals, there have been photos and videos. Here is this very, this residence. And the responders also, the firefighter responders also discovered 4 to 5 sacks also containing semi-burnt stacks of Indian currency notes in this very storeroom that is ahead. There were visual evidence that includes photograph, videos that was also provided by Delhi Police Commissioner that showed those burnt currency notes. Now, Justice, Yashwant Verma strongly criticized and denied any connection to the cash, suggesting that the discovery might be a part of a conspiracy to malign him. So you can see that there are two different versions of statements. Now, in one version, when you see the visuals also, you see the photographs, you can see there have been, the responders have taken out 4 to 5, sacks of half-burnt cashes, Indian currency notes at this very space, to which he says that when he was there, he did not see any pile of cash or any single penny of cash also that was seen. Now, also very importantly, there is another very important statement that I would like to highlight, that this very storeroom, initially when the report was made, the storeroom was said that it was just used by his close associates, his family members, or anyone for that matter. Then there was when Yashwant Verma gave a reply, he clearly stated that this very storeroom or the warehouse is accessed by his gardeners, his servants, and some of CPWD officials. So it makes it, he also says that it is out and open. So it is not just an, inclusive space where only his close associates or his close families are allowed, but everyone in and around his, away from his near and dear ones also can have that accessible, have an access to this very place. So, there have been many questions that have been arised about the source, about, who was responsible to remove the notes, how did he get to know about the notes. So there were 3 questions also that was posed by Sanjeev Khanna. So there have been questions, the investigation is also going on, 3-member committee has also been formed, but yes, the main question remains as to how did this pile of cash be brought in this place.
Was he informed
about it? Was he not?
Stay